A misinformed myth. Bitcoin uses a stupid amount of energy and is bad for the planet. If you were to calculate the annual energy consumption of every central bank, every clearinghouse, every merchant provider, the dollar payment network, SWIFT, every liquidity provider, every tech company that supports and maintains all of the above, the army of data centers, the carbon footprint and energy usage of the tens of millions of employees needed to run all of this, you'll find that the existing financial system consumes a gargantuan amount more energy than Bitcoin. Buildings are the top 3 polluters on the planet, along with transportation and livestock. The existing system consumes more energy and pollutes the world a lot more than people think. 78% of all Bitcoin mining is from renewable energy sources, and Bitcoin is actually a force for good for the green energy revolution. Give it 10 to 15 years, the entire Bitcoin network will be fully green and renewable. Something the existing financial system will never be. Also, when you compare Bitcoin energy consumption to global consumption, it's less than 0.3%. It's only 75 terawatt hours as of May 2021. At the end of the day, this topic is akin to all of the scared FUD that popped around 1915 when ICE vehicles, internal combustion engine vehicles, started to quickly replace horses. The snapshot you're seeing right now is of the new financial system in an embryonic stage. Just like looking at a baby in the womb and saying, "This human is useless, it can't do anything." Just wait. Perhaps a better analogy is when the world started to digitize the monetary system back in the 1970s. Back then, people said, "What's wrong with old coins and notes? We've used that for thousands of years, we don't need fancy money." In terms of what the current system can't do, well, it's grossly incapable of facilitating the Internet of Things / everything revolution. There will be tens of trillions of smart devices coming online over the decade, which will require microtransactions. The current system, like Visa, etc., have huge scaling issues and can never facilitate that. Whereas a DAG crypto, a directed acyclic graph crypto, can and will, as they have infinite scaling and infinite transactions per second. Check out the Tangle network that IOTA uses, for instance. Ultimately, Bitcoin or crypto is just a protocol. Protocols have vast longevity. Language is a protocol. The Arabian numeric system, which the world uses, is a protocol. Bitcoin and crypto is a protocol and will last for centuries. The current incumbent financial system has a lot to lose with the rise of crypto. So all the FUD going around is financed and initiated by them. And any power that is scared of something new, they will ridicule it, try to ban it, and when that's futile, they'll just buy it up and control it. They've spent the last 10 years doing that with crypto. This year, 2021, is the year where they've given up and are just trying to own and control it whilst rapidly pivoting behind the scenes. And when you look at it from a central bank or international monetary fund perspective, they actually need crypto tech. Specifically distributed ledger technology, in order to roll out CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, in order to roll out UBI, universal basic income, and also a cashless society, and then enforce global negative interest rates. Negative rates will be a huge income stream for many governments and countries in the not too distant future. This will be terrible for the average Joe, so the best thing you can do now is get into crypto and just hodl blue chip cryptos. Basically anything on page 1 of coinmarketcap.com will do fine, as they are all $1 billion plus projects and therefore are far less risky than playing around with shitcoins and low market cap coins that could easily disappear. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out therealistictrader.com to learn how to trade properly for free.